Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the ridges on these little pumpkins. Now, even though these pumpkins have a slightly different shaping and sizing, we're going to be doing the ridges the same for all of the pumpkins. We have 9 ridges in total. You can do as many or as few as you like, whatever looks good to you. But let's get started. I'm starting with this really long tapestry needle. I believe I got this one off of Amazon, and it's nice that it's extra long because you can easily put it through the center and it goes all the way through, so you don't have to squish it. So I'm just going to thread our tapestry needle. It starts at the top here, and we're going to stick it through the hole and bring it through the end, just like that, and pull it all the way through. And just kind of pull it snug. And then we're going to bring the yarn up around the back of the pumpkin, so directly in the back of the pumpkin. And we're going to put our needle through the top and bring it through the bottom again. And we're going to pull. We're not going to pull super tight because we don't want the ridges to be too indented, and we don't want to squish the shape of the pumpkin too much because it's already a nice shape. So we're just going to pull it just enough so that the top here indents. So not as far as you could, because we could pull this really tight, but we're not going to pull it super tight, just enough so that it's indented at the top. All right, for the second indent ridge, we're going to bring it right on the side, directly on the side. And again, we're going to take it from the top and down through the bottom and pull it just like we did for the other one. Make sure it's straight, and then tug on it a little bit just so it has the little indent there, so not super duper tight. And then we're going to do the third one, and that's going to be on the other side. Right there. Again, through the top and down through the bottom. Okay, so we have 4. Then we're going to do one here, right here, beside the eye. Not over, but like right here. And same thing, through the top and down through the bottom. And just tug on it a little bit. Okay. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side. And just tug on it a little bit. All right, then we're going to add 2 more ridges here. One in between the first 2 you made, and then between these here. Just so that it's nice and even. You can add as many ridges as you want. Whatever looks good to you. And then same for this side. Okay. And then, as you can see, his face looks a little bit plain. So these last 2 ridges are going to be kind of just for looks and not really for shaping. So we're going to put another one right here, kind of in between his mouth and his eye, but more towards the eye. And on these ones, we're gonna pull even less to tighten, because again, these ones are just kind of for looks. Make sure it's straight. Just tug it just a tiny bit. And then the same thing on this side. I don't think I left quite a long enough tail, so make sure when you do yours that you leave a very long tail so that you have enough for weaving in later. All right, and there we have it, the ridges all around our little pumpkin. And this is the finished one with the stem.